Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Menteri Rangba Jong Jalao Conrad ke Sangma hak Leit rumpang arja absan ulah hiar Mawkyrwat Constituency ban pan jeng kersha nagi ba nak bentau kortong jong ke NPP uba karne so sang hak ni kesi Menteri Rangba ulah Leit yu kejat ningkong hak Shnong sngi mauleng mat nang ni ulah Leit pat syak Shnong mau thau pada rang belang do lun mau langwer rang mau mat hak Shnong sakwang hak ni kesi Conrad Sangma ulah pediang shibun ki dorkhas nagi Shnong maniki kunhun beper na bentaki kampen roy hapo ke Constituency.
I want to share with you that this election is very, very crucial and very important for the constituency and for the village and for the people of this area. Because this is an opportunity for you to work directly with the government and work directly with the Chief Minister. As a government, there are many programs that we want to do. But without having representatives for my party, without having leaders through whom I can work, it is sometimes very difficult for me to give the developments, even though we want to give them. And therefore, this election is about the development of Mawkyrwat constituency as a whole and Mawkyrwat village in specific. And as you know, many political parties come, they give all kinds of negative speech and lecture where they will insult the government, they will insult the Chief Minister, they will give all negative comments, they will always try to divide the society and the people. And they play that kind of negative politics. I don't believe in negative politics. But the reason I'm telling you this is because once the election is over on February 24th and the result is out, all these lectures and speech given by all these political parties in negative will all be over. But after February 24th, the NPP government will still be there. And it is this NPP government that will work with you. In good times, in bad times, we will work together along with Bakarnes to ensure that we are able to bring a change and bring development, the development that you deserve. Everything, the boss is there. So when boss says yes, then I will do. No problem. So you have to convince the boss. So Bakarnes is the boss here. So he will decide on how I should work, and all I can tell you is that as per his direction and instructions, I will do whatever it takes to implement these different schemes and projects and improve the overall development scenario here in the constituency. But as I said, it is very important that we work together and not be taken, on the side by political parties who are trying to, as I said, divide us and trying to create a negative environment in society, which is something that I really don't appreciate and I don't like. As I said, we are here to serve the people, we are here to bring development for the people, we are here to make life better for the people and not throw dirt and talk negative and bad things about other political parties. I don't think that is healthy politics. And I don't like that kind of negative politics. So we as a party, we believe in positive politics and we will ensure that we are able to work together. But for that, I will need all your support. And in this coming election, I once again request and urge all of you to work in support of Bakarnes in this coming election on the NPP symbol and the NPP ticket.
Padahal lang kataru, wat nom suai, penban ngong tongin nak tap tibiang nam tay chimin sa juga Nginang don sipun kapor bantre pilara pidang Ïalap yang ban Ïalap ni kani kadong than. Lara pidang Ïalap ban Ïalap ni kani kadong than. Nginang don sipun bantre ban chimin sar hadi ka sorkar. Nginang don salais nem ke sorkar bas kem lai pu armut labiang pura ban form sorkar menurut kamsu nakamon nakadian. Chimin sar insakren sepang kata kumno bangin long ka jingking ke prunon. We are the bridge to the government, to the chief minister. Dan bar tang song ba hakani kapor wat nam so na kumkran ni katan bar nga tip ba himdei bandu ikan ka chance. Kini kilais nam kisos nam himdei bandu ikan ka kabuk siar ba manga bat maping ni trilang baniwa nang tuntulun yang kibun ke war ko chief minister sai kran nu sai tu pi sepang kanika atletik track ke jompi ba bening don hangni tip tharai la budin ni udang o nga ngina penkre ngina plan kuno bangin penulong no ikan ko bat lada pidang ay ketika mon ketika dia yang kasokar man ay ya kabor ban tre nginle nada pimai bor tin lem no kata di sisa dan makata ki jing metoy jong ni Shnong kinang toy na kani ko na ko pos ko pat ko
to see with my own eyes the village, to meet all of you, to hear with my own ears the problems that you're facing. And that's why I thank God for leading me and bringing me here. And I thank Bakarnes for making this program possible so that I could come here and see all of you, visit your village. I don't know if other chief ministers have come before or not. First time. So I'm the lucky one. I am the lucky one to have that honor of being the first chief minister to come to your village. So it's a great honor for me, and I'm very happy, very tired, but very happy. We have already had, I think, 8 or 9 meetings now. We have one more meeting, and I'll be reaching Delhi at 2 o'clock in the morning. And then again, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, I'll be going to Uttarakhand. But anyway, this is part of our life. But I'm so happy, as I said, to be here. Bakarnes has been working very hard, and as a leader, a very humble man, a very approachable man. And I urge all of you that the quality of the leadership has to be seen. What kind of humility the person has, the character of the person. And I think Bakarnes has got all the qualities of being a good and a humble and a capable leader. And I feel that all of you should always keep that in mind and support him in every way possible. There will be many people who will come and say many things. Election is, you know how. All kinds of lecture is given. All kind of negative talk is given. All kind of talk that is, all about dividing people, society, and blaming others. I don't believe in that politics. And I don't like that kind of politics. I believe in positive politics. I believe that we are here for a purpose. We are here to serve the people. God has given us this opportunity for a reason. And I don't want to be wasting my time talking bad about others. I don't believe that. We have limited time, we will do good as much as possible. And today is a chance for me to do that. I was so happy when our Mantri told me and told all of us that very large programs both from the Church of God as well as from the Presbyterian Church will be happening in 28. So therefore we will work together. I assure you we will work together to make it successful.